When you create a website, sometimes you want to navigate through the links and it instantly jumps to the section without realizing its upward or downward movement. So no more jerky jumps when navigating through the long documents or sections of your website. In this video, I am going to add some spices to this code and it looks like this. After you create different sections in this website, link the individual section with the ID attribute. I have 5 links on this website and 5 different sections. After you link each section with ID, your website looks like this. Very quick jerky jump to the targeted sections. I am positioning the header at the top of the website by position sticky and top 0. After that, in the global HTML tag, write this property. Scroll behavior smooth. Now it looks like this. Each time I click on a link, it smoothly scrolls to the targeted section. Now the problem is the header hides the top portion of the section. To deal with this issue, write scroll padding 80 pixel after the scroll behavior property. Now look, it leaves a space before each section when scrolling and adjust this padding according to your need. Now when you click on any internal link, it smoothly guides to the targeted section. How awesome is that? That wraps up our tutorial on smooth CSS scrolling. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, the code examples are available in the description below, so feel free to download and experiment with them. Subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.